One of the big fears of potential customers for automotive window film is, what will it look like years from now? Will it bubble? Will it peel? Will it turn an odd shade of purple? I think most of us have seen those kinds of results on cars being driven around town. Well, Madico U is here to tell you that everyone who chooses Madico automotive film for their vehicle has nothing to worry about. With more than a century of success in this industry, Madico uses only the highest quality materials, adhesives, and dyes. Why? Because Madico wants to be around another 100 years, and will only get there by continuing to offer the finest quality products with world-class service, all backed with a warranty that's sure to please. Just ask your Madico dealer for details or search the keyword warranty on our website.